relationships are important. And I think I said it in my introductory comments that relationshiping, as I call it, is not complicated, but it is hard. So workshops like this, put on by Dr. Martin, are so important because it helps us to figure out how to do them better. Everything gets better with time, with work. And so the definition of workshop, as she says, we have to work in the shop. And she is just an absolute expert at this. She engages everybody. Everybody comments. People start to feel like they really want to participate in it. And the end result is a stronger and better relationship. So this stuff's very important. It's been great so far.
This workshop is one of many that I've been to with Dr. Martin. And as you can see, I keep coming back because I always get something new out of it. And I just love the way she makes you see who you are, but it's not like in a judgmental way. Like, she makes you do the work for yourself and you come out more enlightened because it's just good stuff. So do the work.
Communication, compromise, and connecting is all three things that any relationship should have, especially one with a husband or wife or spouse or significant other. So whether it's a relationship between you and your spouse or another family member, those are three things that everyone should have and be able to articulate and to be able to communicate better.
Because the hypocrisy of the fact that I would kill somebody for doing to my daughter what they did, then realize I was doing the same thing to somebody else's daughter. I was just as manipulative. I was just as, So that was an eye-opener for me. So I went through an amends process with my daughter where she told me how my behavior impacted her. And she had permission to tell me, and I couldn't respond. I had to listen and hear and really take it in and feel and soak it in. And then after doing that a week later, I had to let her know how I understood how when I did ABC, this is how it impacted you. One of the most powerful things I've ever been through in my life, and my daughter's my best friend.
The easy way out is us wanting to change other people because that says there's nothing wrong with us. The magic is how we change other people is by changing ourselves. We change ourselves. And so if you're always hollering at me and I don't want to holler back, I got to bring it down. So I take the lead and you come down with me. Will it happen overnight? Probably not. But the but is, if I'm determined to be the person that I say that I am, and I want to be all that, I'll stick with it because I'm worth it. Does that make sense? And so be the person that you are and that you say you are and that you desire to be. If you are not the B word, you've got to stop responding. You don't need to teach your mother, anybody else about who you are. Just show the world. Just show the world. Because what's that? I can show you better than I can tell you. Does that make sense?